Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Akhilesh from Department of Physiotherapy. On this auspicious day of World COPD Day, which is on 16th of November, I will be discussing about what COPD is, its symptoms, its complication, its prevention and the management part for to delay the onset of COPD and to prevent the further complications. So, what actually a COPD is? So, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is an condition where there is an obstruction of the airflow from the lungs. In India, its prevalence of COPD has been rising from 2% to 22% from last 15 years. It consists of two types of different COPD conditions, which are chronic bronchitis and emphysema. So, COPD is basically is a progressive condition. So it happens because of the chronic inhalation of fine particulate matter, particularly smoke, cigarette smoke, and it has a very poor prognosis, which can lead to further complications of chest and heart. It can also lead to heart diseases, lung cancer, and pulmonary hypertension, etc. So the emphysema is the condition where the bronchioles of lungs get destroyed due to the particulate matter of inhalation, and the chronic bronchitis is an inflammatory condition of the bronchioles, which are the air which takes the air through your lungs. Symptoms include shortness of breath, increased respiratory infections, chest tightness, frequent coughing, and increased mucus production. Complications of COPD includes pulmonary hypertension, lung diseases, lung cancer, and heart disease. And its prevention of COPD is quit smoking, have an active lifestyle, start doing aerobic exercises and strength training, and it also include yoga and diet modifications. So the management part includes pulmonary rehabilitation, which consists of breathing exercises, airway clearance techniques, active cycle breathing techniques, huffing and coughing manuals, aerobic exercises, upper limb and lower limb exercises strengthening program, and yoga. Apart from the pulmonary rehabilitation, we have two integrative therapies which are available at our Neurogen and KLS Wellness Center, which is located at Navi Mumbai. The HBOT is a non-invasive procedure, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which consists of an enclosed chamber which gives 100% oxygen to the tissue. So it improves your tissue healing and improves oxygenation process, which helps to improve the oxygenation. Plus then the ozone therapy. Ozone therapy is a combined therapy of 100% oxygen plus ozone, which improves the oxygen in your blood, plus it helps to relieve the stress of your lung. Then the IV vitamin therapy, which will replenish your vitamins and which will help you to fight back the IV vitamin therapy. IV vitamin therapy will replenish your vitamins and which will help you to increase your immunity, which will help to fight back the recurrent pulmonary infections. So to conclude this, I have highlighted the importance of COPD, its management and its prevention. Thank you.